Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to upload story on Instagram from PC. So first you have to open your browser and then you have to search for Instagram, then click on the first link and then simply log in with your account. On this web version, you can see we have the option for the create on the left, but once we click onto it, we don't get the option for the story, we get it for the post. So what we have to do is you just have to simply do a right click and select this last option, inspect. Then on the right side this page will come up, and on the top you can see this icon. You have to click onto it and you will get to the web version of Instagram. Now you have to do a quick refresh on the page and you will do it. On the top you will see the icon for the story. If you click onto it, it will ask you to select any file from your PC. You just have to simply add any photo, video, whatever you like, and then it will be there. Now what you have to do is you can see we have this option which is add to your story. On your story that you have uploaded, you have to click onto it and it will show you uploading. Now this will take a bit longer than usual. Once it is done, then you will click onto it and you will see your story will be uploaded. So that's how you can upload Instagram story from PC. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.